Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OPPO Reno 10 Pro 5G smartphone. This is the latest smartphone by OPPO. So quickly open it up and start unboxing. So here in top we get this small box. If we see inside it, safety guide, reading manuals, and SIM ejector pin is available. And this is the transparent back case. And guys, here's the phone itself. Here you can see, here's the phone itself. If we see ultra clear portrait camera system, 32 megapixel telephoto portrait camera, 80-watt superbook flash charge, and 120 Hz ultra high refresh rate display. Okay, we come to the phone later. It is in glossy purple color. The silvery gray color is also available. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB type A to type C cable. And guys, this is 80-watt fast charger you get in the box. So that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here's the phone itself. Remove its plastic cover. So guys, this is OPPO Reno 10 Pro 5G smartphone in my hand. You can see. If we talk about the design, you can see it has a rich and elegant essence of this metallic purple in glossy glass. Here you can see glossy glass. Here you can see it has glossy glass. If we talk about the build, it has front glass, back glass. So you can see it looks great. You can see you can enjoy the smooth gemstone like feel in your hand. It has 3D curve design that feel the flawless fit in your hand. Here you can see slim body. And if we talk about the weight of this phone, it is 185 gram and thickness is 7.9 mm. Yep guys, phone looks premium, really premium. And if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the air blaster and noise cancellation microphone. On this side we get the volume up and down key and power on off key. Bottom we get the main speaker grill, USB type C port, main microphone, and this is a SIM tray. So quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. So here we get the dual nano SIM. You can insert two nano SIM in this smartphone. Okay. And on this side nothing, flat. And on back it has a triple rear camera setup. Here you can see it has triple rear camera setup, 50 megapixel main camera, 32 megapixel telephoto portrait camera, has equipped with Sony IMX709 which 60% light intake and 35% noise reduction, and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and LED flash over there. And here we have the branding of OPPO. And on front it has a 6.7 inches full HD plus 120 Hz AMOLED 3D curved screen. And here we get the 32 megapixel selfie camera with autofocus. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So here I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of OPPO Reno 10 Pro 5G smartphone. Guys, it has 6.7 inches Full HD plus 120 Hz AMOLED 3D curved screen. It has 1.7 billion colors, 93% screen to body ratio, and it has HDR10 plus certified. You can see display looks premium, beautiful display, and it has a 950 nits peak brightness. So if we talk about the display, so quickly check its smoothness. It has 120 Hz ultra high refresh rate 3D curved screen. So quickly check this out. So as you can see guys, the display is ultra high. Yes, it has ultra high refresh rate here you can see. And if we go in settings, about device, so here you can see the device name is storage 256 GB. It has 256 GB ROM and 12 GB RAM. And here you can see the processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G octa-core processor is available in this phone. It has 6nm processor and battery 4600 milliampere typical battery, and the screen size is also shown here. And here if we go in RAM, so here we have the extended RAM feature available. You can expand it up to 12 GB. And if we talk about the Android version, it runs on latest Android 13. And the Android security update is of 5 June 2023. You can see based on ColorOS 13.1 official version. Okay, after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with this smartphone. After it, if we talk about its in-display fingerprint and face unlock performance, so quickly check this out. So you can see fingerprint animation pops out at put finger and it unlock the phone. It pops out at put finger and it unlock the phone. So guys, as you can see, it is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about the face unlock performance, I look at the phone and it unlock the phone. I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. I'm not seeing, I see, and it quickly unlock the phone. So guys, both face unlock and in-display fingerprint both are fast and responsive. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO Reno 10 Pro 5G smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.